Hey guys, welcome back. So, on our way to South Africa, we end up having a 14-hour layover in London, at London Heathrow. Originally, we were going to just stay at the airport because of all the extra testing, but we got lucky 2 weeks prior to our trip. The United Kingdom dropped all the extra things that we had to do, so we were able to easily get through customs and spend the day in London. If you're landing in Heathrow, you take the Heathrow Express to Paddington Station, and then from Paddington you can just jump on the Circle Line and make a trip around the city. There are plenty of stops on the Circle Line near the major sites, major attractions. Choose what you want. We kind of had a plan laid out, so we jumped on the Circle, took it to Buckingham Palace, and then after seeing the palace we walked along the mall area towards Trafalgar Square. And then from there, we walked over to Big Ben, Parliament, and Westminster Abbey. We wanted to kind of stretch our legs, so we decided not to get back on the Circle Line, and we continued to walk along the river all the way to the Borough Market. And we had lunch at Applebee's Fish at Borough Market, and it was a really good meal. Really nice day with the weather to enjoy. The key is you want to have 6 or 7 hours to spend to make the most out of your trip, or to make it worth leaving the airport. So we had some other plans depending on how tired we were, and we were pretty exhausted from our trip. So after lunch, we jumped back on the Circle Line, went over to King's Cross, stopped and saw it for a little bit, saw the British Library, and then continued back to Paddington to head back to the airport before continuing on our journey to South Africa. Please like and subscribe.